my Diamond Art peeps. This is Diamond Painting with Jack, and I am Jack. If you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you're returning, as always, thank you for your continuing support and friendship. It means the world to me. I know you guys are thinking, hey, I've seen that outfit, but I am trying to get some videos out there. So, this is my last one. And this is an unboxing as well. So, but I hope you guys are having a good day. It is still February 26th if you are have watched the other videos. And it is 2:15 and beautiful, sunny in the 70s. It's just a beautiful, beautiful day. So, like I said, I am going to do an unboxing, but first I'm going to just do a couple of my facts or shiggities, and then we'll just get right into it. In 2011, Ellen DeGeneres sold a lock of Justin Bieber's hair for $40,688. Oh my God, I hope that's not true, but it is. Let's cut to the chase. Ellen sold the hair on eBay to raise money for her favorite charity, the Gentle Barn. Okay. Between June 2023 and September 2023, there were no record births in all of Italy. I'm going to say it's not true. It's not. Did you believe that? There's one born every day. All right, one more. Dung beetles are very choosy about the poop they eat. Well, that's good to know. Just any old poop won't do. I'm going to say that's true. And it is. Oh, poopy do. All right. So I have two items I'm going to do. I have a Diamond Art Club and then a Temu. So let's do the Temu first, because I only have, I think there's one canvas in here. I can't remember if I did, I did do a partial. Oh, I did a couple partials. I am ordering like crazy. I've got to stop. And then I ordered 5 more partials from another company yesterday. I need help. Okay. So I'm not going to take these out. I just ordered some extra crystals to have. And it came with the toolkit and a box to put them in, a storage to put them in. I don't know if I would use this because I don't like when they don't have something to contain them, because if you drop this or you turn it upside down, then they're all mixed together. So I may use this for something else, but that's what that is. And this is what I'm really excited about. I love cartoons. I still, to this day, watch cartoons. And one of my favorite cartoons when I was a kid was Popeye. Now, this is pretty beat up. Look at that. Oh. So I'm going to put this under my bed and see if we can flatten Popeye out. I had ordered a Popeye canvas, I think last year. I cannot find it. I have gone through my stash and I know it's got to be here somewhere, but I cannot find it at all. But this is a 40 by 40. It has 24 colors and it is a round. And I don't think that I have a duplicate. I hope not. I hope not. But look at Popeye. I love Popeye. I love him. Oh, and they're in those little bitty bags. Oh, well. What can you do? What can you do? I'm definitely doing Popeye this year. Okay. So the little bags, at least they've gotten better with the putting the numbers on. They're not, you know, half on and half rubbed out or whatever. Okay, and it comes with this little toolkit that I don't keep. And then here's our paper legend. So like I said, 24 colors. And then here is the image again. So I am definitely doing this because I'm going to put this in Amir's room. I love it. I love it. This makes me now kind of kick myself that I didn't get the Jetsons, because that's another one of my favorites. So this has a lot of line blocking. But the drill field is pretty clear. The numbering is small, but you can still see it. 1 through 8 in numerical, and then 9 through 24 is alphabetical, but not in alphabetical order. So I'm glad. It's just numbers and the alphabet. And I think because he is the main focus of this picture, it should come out really good. I love it. So I will put this under my mattress to see if I can get it to straighten out some more. Okay. And if you remember from my month in review, I have this, I did a canvas, a partial similar to this one I'm getting ready to show you. Yeah. But that is so cute. I love it. So it has 6 crystals and special shapes. So I can do this at Christmas, or I know we have in one of the months we have trees. I could do it for that as well. I love it. Love it. And then here are our crystals. Now these don't have any kind of markings as far as to tell you the numbers to go with the canvas. So either you would have to write it down or make sure you keep them together. So I'm going to put all of that over there. And then here is the last one. Okay, so this is a 35 by 35 with 10 colors and partials. This is cute, this castle. You could say that this is Cinderella's castle. With the drill, the toolkit. Oh, wow. So you have lots of pearls in this one. Look at this size of those. I bet that is number C. I'm sorry, guys. Someone is calling me and I'm hanging up on them. And then here is this. Oh, this is going to be beautiful. Look at these. So it's all pearls and then crystals. No regular drills. Okay. So let me put this aside. Alrighty. This goes there. I'm trying to put everything together so I don't lose anything. Okay. All right, Black History Month. I got this. I put the sleeve upside down. This is Child of God by Claudia McKinney. It is, this is a round. I'm trying to find, oh, here it is. 53 colors with 2 ABs and 3 fairy dusts with a total amount at 40,804. I didn't look at it. I just opened it to get the toolkit out because I really like the pen. I use it for my ABs. It's really great. So I really like this. So I didn't look at the canvas itself. Okay. So here is my thank you for your purchase and another bronze card. I have like, I don't know how many bronze. I have 1 silver and the rest are bronze. Now be careful, don't throw this away because inside is your stickers. And it has your start and end date over here and then another sticker that you can put in your logbook. Yeah, 53 colors. Let me put this in the box. In the box. Okay. Okay, so let me roll it back. Again, I don't know when I'm going to do this, but it's just beautiful. Look at her. Look at her. I love it. Look at the flowers in her hair and the flowers in the background. And this has the perforated sections, which I absolutely love, love, love. 55.6 by 55.6. Oh, I love her. Okay, I gotta figure out when I can do her, because she needs to be done. Oh, she's beautiful, beautiful. And here are our drills. Now, DAC does have the name and the serial number. So if you do separate your drills from your canvas, you'll know what belongs to what. Oh, she's absolutely beautiful. I'm going to move you over and bring you down so you can see her. Can you see her, guys? Sorry. Oh, she's beautiful. She is beautiful. I got to figure out when I can do this one. I gotta sneak it in somehow. Somehow. She's beautiful. Okay, you guys, that is it. That is my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, if you would mind giving me a thumbs up on the way out, I would appreciate that. If you would if you would like to join the Struggle Bus family, and you'll hit the subscription button and also hit the bell to be notified each and every time I put out a video, I would appreciate that as well. I hope you guys have the great rest of your day or your evening or morning, whatever time it is for you. Remember to be kind to one another, keep cool, keep diamond painting, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.